Great are you, Lord, and greatly to be praised. Father, you reign. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl, Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen. We prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let's fry some crispy yam chips. So let's go. So to begin with, I have my yam. I have neatly peeled and washed. So I cut them like I'm doing here. So over here, I use my crinkle cutter. So if you don't have, you can just use your normal knife. Just that I love the designs it gives. It makes it so handy and so attractive. Kids love it this way. Yeah, so if you have your crinkle cutter, it's okay. It makes it fancy. You can see that. Yeah, so I have my yam chips ready. So in a bowl, I add some water and then I add some salt to taste. And then I add about half teaspoon turmeric just to give it that beautiful yellowish color. So I add another half teaspoon because I want it a bit thicker. And then I have preheated my oil, so I just transfer my yam chips into it, and here we are. It's frying beautifully. So yam chips can be served as a starter, as a main course, or a main dish. You can see how it's doing here. So sometimes you just want something handy to eat. You can just go in for this beautiful yam chips recipe over here and you are good to go. So now our yam is ready, so I'll just take it off onto my paper towel. And then I do same for the remaining. Just look at that. Look at how crispy it looks. So handy, so tasty. Yes, I'll just add some green chili sauce. I have the link up there. I have my black pepper also, and then I have some beautifully fried sausages to complement it with. So you can enjoy with some sardines, canned beef, eggs, anything you want, gizzard, but I am doing sausage today. So thank you, friends and family. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful simple fried yam recipe. Yeah, so you see, I add some ketchup to it and I am good to go. Thank you for enjoying this video. See you in our next video. Bye bye. I love you guys.